What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, back for another Cloverhealth update. And today was almost flat, down 6 cents on the day, down less than 0.75%. So not too bad, all things considered, for starting the day. Going down quite a bit, down 40 cents to start the day, and then we rallied from there up to almost back to normal, and then closed almost right back where we started. All right, enough screwing around here. RSI to close the day was sitting at 37.76, not where we like to be, almost in the oversold category. And MACDs are not looking good, pretty bearish there. But we do have a lot to get to today on this. And so first, let's go to the dark pool data for Cloverhealth. And dark pool position is 117 million shares on this. Net short volume in dollars, 29 million. Short volume in shares is 3.6. And let's go over quick to Ortex. And we have, oh god, this is crazy. Down here in the short interest for Clov, shares on loan 47.71 million. If we go down here, the total float is 408.1 million. Free float on loan is 42.45%. That is ridiculous. Goddamn ridiculous. I got one quick tweet to get to. This guy, let's go up to it. Antonio Costa here. Clove is on the verge of a big breakout and squeeze. Look at this falling wedge pattern here for the, looks like the 1 month-ish chart, from that high of 28 down to 820 here. Falling wedge, lower lows, lower highs. You know what that means. Reversal imminent. And we got one more quick thing to get to. Cloverhealth announces grocery benefit is available to eligible members in 101 countries. Nashville, Tennessee, July 16th. Cloverhealth is committed to improving health and equity for America's underserved seniors. Announces that it's enhancing its current over-the-counter benefit to include groceries. The new benefit is available to eligible members in 101 counties across Arizona, Georgia, Mississippi, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Tennessee, and Texas. Clover members who meet certain criteria, like having an underlying health condition such as cancer, kidney disease, or a Wall Street Bets autist, will qualify for the benefit. Depending on the plan the individual is enrolled in, they will receive up to $125 in quarterly stipend, which can be used to purchase grocery items or OTC items, or hopefully OTC stocks as well. That would be nice. Let's check out the short interest on Fintel quick. So a little bit of a discrepancy between the short interest on Fintel and Ortex, but who knows what that's all about. It could be different time frames. Short squeeze score has continued to drop, but that could be from the dark pool here, trying to confuse us apes into thinking that the shorts are closing their positions when indeed they have not. And we do see an increase in short shares availability at 5.2. We were down to, I believe it was 3 or 4 million as of yesterday. And that short bar fee rate is continuing to drop down from, so it's just about cut in half from yesterday, almost half of what it was. And let's see if they have any updates on FTDs. Wow, 6:30 is the last day we have. We have 1.7 million FTDs for this. Scrolling down the list here, there are probably 15 to 20 million FTDs for June alone, and we're not even into July data yet. So this could get pretty spicy here in the next couple of days. Probably not days, actually, probably weeks to months, as these things do take time to develop. Anyways, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on Cloverhealth. So, as always, guys, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Clove, as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.